So hello and welcome to this virtual tour of Happy Gut, Healthy You. Let's get inside. So here you will find a welcome video and then the 12 different modules. It's amazing what we're going to talk about, and of course some of those things maybe you think, oh yeah, I learned about the gut microbiome, but there is so much more to learn and there's so much details. There's always a video to watch. There are handouts, there's a guide you can download. It's really full of amazing stuff with actionable steps. I really guide you through. It's like really do this, do this, do this, change this, change that. And even if you don't have a lot of time, for example, so for here, you just have a little bit of text. It's not too much. And then maybe if you're on the toilet, you can just, well, read a bit more. It's all small, actionable. It's not too complicated, but there is a lot of information and it will improve your health big time. And of course, we have recipes and suggested meals for every month. So here you see recipe guides, pantry lists, food diaries, and weekly suggested meals. And it's all, you can just download it in PDF. And it's really amazing recipes. They're very, very lovely. And of course here, well, I can't scroll further down, but we've got live calls and of course the one-on-ones. And also we start with a one-on-one to like talk about your main goals, and then we will go to your food poop journal. And that's really important. You're gonna fill that out for 2 weeks. And then you're going to send it to me and we're going to discuss it again. So that's about it. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email me, and hope to see you soon.